Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Donald on the application of Temu app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Temu app and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.